Well, we're a locally based IT support company. We provide support to small, medium-sized businesses and also ad hoc repairs and support to the general public across sort of most areas of IT. We're based in Beckenham, but the area that we cover would also include sort of Croydon, Bromley, Lewisham, Catford, sort of most of south-east London. Well, for businesses, it's mostly about network support. We're looking for small to medium-sized businesses. We probably have up to maybe a dozen workstations where they have neither the sort of expertise or the time internally to support those networks, and we can provide that support for them. But we also do ad hoc repairs across PCs, sort of printers, laptops, etc. And we do those both for businesses and also for the general public. The support is provided on a daily basis to our customers in the sense that they pay for it monthly, and we're there should anything happen where they need our, require our input. And that basically gives them the ability to call us out when they have any problems. They also get unlimited sort of telephone support, so any issues they may have they can telephone us in about. We'll also have remote access to their network, which means we can sort of log into it and often solve problems without even having to attend site. And it also involves things like regular remote backups to ensure that they're protected against sort of security issues. Any sort of disaster recovery situation, having a backup off-site means that they're protected against that. Anyone that has an issue with a piece of IT equipment, be it computer-based or mobile phone or printer, effectively we can provide ad hoc support to repair it, either on site or it can be brought to our workshops where it can be worked on and then returned to site. For anybody that's getting our network support, that's another thing that's included in the package. Anytime they're buying any form of equipment for their network, we can advise on the most suitable equipment and the right specification for them and point them in the right direction in terms of purchasing. The essential thing that businesses need to do is to have regular backups, to undertake regular security audits to make sure that their networks are properly protected. They've got to make sure that their antivirus software is kept completely up to date and that it's fit for purpose from day one, which is something we could advise on and help them with. They also need to make sure that they've got the right sort of protocols internally in terms of people opening emails that may be suspicious or accessing attachments, etc., that often can lead to the infiltration of the viruses. But the reality now is that mobile phones spend so much of their time sitting on networks or paired to other IT devices that in actual fact I would say it's probably more essential now than ever that people do install antivirus software on their mobiles. I think the starting point is to carry out a security check of their current network to see that it's fit for purpose and then act on any recommendations that come out of that. And that's something that we do for clients. So that lets them know where they are as of today. We can then, if there are weaknesses, we can get them updated to the most up-to-date levels of software. And from then on, it's about doing regular checkups, which again we carry out as part of our network support, and also just working with staff to make sure that they treat the incoming data that comes into the business with respect in terms of how they open emails and attachments, etc.